Mountain porters in the Himalayas live incredibly difficult lives. In this video, we take the time to speak to Lukindra, who was our porter on our trek to Gokyo, in order to find out more about his profession.
Hi, so what's your name?
My name is Lukindra, right?
Oh, okay. So where are you from?
I come from
Which town?
Chachalo.
Uh-huh.
BDC is Gudel.
Right.
BDC
It comes from Gudel, which is 2 days below the Lukla.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
Yeah, farming and porter.
Farming and porter. So how do you like your life in the mountain?
तपाईँलाई अब यो त के अरे हिमालमा कतिको मनपर्छ अरे कतिको मनपर्छ कति गाह्रो छ कतिको मनपर्छ भन्ने कुरा
धेरै मन पर्छ नि हो त्यति गाह्रो छैन ठिकै छ
बारी पनि गाह्रो छैन It says it's easy life here, it's not very difficult life, and he's happy with what he's doing.
यो हाई पासमा चाहिँ गाह्रो लाग्छ त्यति हो अरूमा ठिकै हो
टाउको दुखेर Yeah, when he goes to the high passes like here or do the high passes, he gets altitude sickness and get a headache, and that's how he feel uncomfortable. Otherwise, he's happy with what he's doing in lower land.
Right. So for how long have you been a porter?
यसरी बारी बोकेको कति भयो अब कुली गरेको पोटर गरेको कति वर्ष भयो
भारी बोकेको त सानै उमेरदेखि भारी बोकेको
कति उमेर
10-12 वर्षदेखि भारी बोकेको
अहिले कति वर्ष पुग्यो
अहिले त 30 वर्ष हुन्छ 30 वर्ष हुन्छ
He has been working as a porter since he was 12 years old, and now he is 30 years old. That means he's been working in this field for 18 years.
So you're now 30 years old?
Yes.
30 years old.
So do you have a family?
But you are 30.
अब
Buri?
बुढी छोरा छन् दुईटा
Yes, he has a wife and 2 children.
अनि त्यो बुवा आमाहरू छ अनि भाइ बहिनी छ त्यही
Where are your children?
अहिले बच्चाहरू कहाँ छ
माई भिलेज
in his village.
In the village? Right. So what do you dream of?
सपना के छ अरे अब के भए राम्रो हुन्थ्यो भने सपना के छ अरे
सपनामा त के भन्नु त बुढो भइसक्यो अब छोराछोरी पढाउनु त्यही त
Yeah,
होला
educate.
के गर्न सक्छु
Since he never get education, so he wants his children to educate,
To get education?
to get educations, good
Right.
educations.
So how old are your children now?
बच्चाहरू कति कति वर्षको भयो ठुलो कति वर्षको भयो ठुलो छोरी
older my daughter 5 years old
Okay.
ओल्डर चाहिँ
older
ठुलो चाहिँ
older
अँ,
daughter son is 30 months
13 months
13 months?
13 months yeah
As a baby. So does the porter job give you enough to sustain your family and to take care of them?
कुली बारी बोकेको पैसाले बारी बोकेर कमाएको पैसाले चाहिँ परिवार पाल्न पुग्छ अरे मजाले
जस अलिअलि घरको खेतीसँग
No, the porters he doesn't. Yeah, the only porters doesn't. It's not enough to sustain his family. But since during the off seasons he works as a farmer, so with farmer and portering, yeah, it's good.
Okay.
नपुगेको बेला कहिलेकाहीँ त ऋण काट्नुपर्छ त्यही हो
Yeah, sometimes the family has huge shortage of money, and at that time he just borrow from the relatives or the neighbors.
So do you think you have a lot of struggles and difficulties in your life? Or do you think you're happy and you're happy with what you have?
तिमीलाई जिन्दगी एकदम तिमीले अहिले गरेको कामहरू देखेर एकदम जिन्दगी दुःख हो जस्तो लाग्छ कि यो जस्ट तिमीले गरेको काममा तिमी खुसी छौ तिमी एकदम रमाइलो खुसी छौ जस्तो लाग्छ
अब म जस्तो दुःख गर्ने मान्छे पनि अब धेरै छ हैन यसो विचार गर्दाखेरि अब नगर्ने पनि छ अब ठिकै लाग्छ
त्यस्तो गाह्रो लाग्दैन
गाह्रो त लागिहाल्छ लाग्नु त अब लाग्यो नि जसो तसो चलाउनु पर्यो जिन्दगी
Yeah, it's said it's very hard, but he's not only one who is doing this job. So when he compare with other his friends who are doing the portrait too, that makes him satisfaction. And but he says the life is hard, but there is no options because he never went to school and he doesn't have any educations, and it's hard to get the job. So it's really hard.
Right. So how much money do you make as a porter?
दिनमा चाहिँ अब यो बारी पुग्दा चाहिँ दिनमा कति जति कमाउँछ रे
दिनमा कति कमाउनु त किन त तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ अब खाना 1000 त खायो भने पुग्दैन पनि 1500 को अब अलि टाइट गरेर अब 700 कम्छ अब 700 खाना त्यस्तै हो
Yeah, so he receives about $15 a day, but he has to eat on it, so it's about he spent about $10 a day, so he barely save about $5 a day.
Right. And that's not throughout the whole year, right? That's only
During the trekking season. That means like 2 months, 3 months a year.
Right. So how heavy is usually your load, or what's the heaviest that you carry up the mountains?
कतिको बारी चाहिँ कतिको गरौँ हुन्छ रे हैन अब यता जस अन्दाजले अब अन्दाज भन्ने अब ट्रेकिङमा अनि अहिलेसम्म धेरै बोक्यो कति किलोसम्म
त्यही हो क्याम्पिङमा त धेरै 40-45 केजी बोकाउँछ
अनि
हजुर अनि टी हाउसमा त बढीमा 30-35 त्यस्तै हो
Yeah, so there are two different kinds of trekking organizing in this area. One is the tea house, which we are doing. We are sleeping in the lodges and things, and another is camping. So they bring tents and cooking materials and everything, and they sleep in tents and things. So when he goes with this camping group, he carries up to 50 kg a day. But when he's with the camping group, tea house group like us, he carry up to 30 kilos.
Okay.
So 30 kilo is the average load.
Yeah, that's quite a lot. Quite a lot. And how long do you usually have to carry this for up in the mountain? Like 2-3 hours, maybe 6. I know that it would be different every time, but
I mean per day or?
Yeah, maybe per day. Yeah, per day.
दिनमा बारी बोकेर कति गर्न जति हिँड्नु पर्छ अन्दाजले दिनमा
3 घण्टा बढीमा हिँड्नु पर्यो भने 5 घण्टा चाहिँ हिँड्नुपर्छ कहिलेलाई
Yeah, from 3 to maximum 5 hours a day.
That's a lot. 5 hours carrying 50 kilograms. It's quite a lot in these altitudes. So do you like working in the mountain in such a beautiful place, and would you like to stay here, or you want to change maybe?
अब यहाँ हिमाल राम्रो चाहिँ यदि हिमालमा बसेर काम गर्न मन पर्छ कि अथवा अरु केही गर्न मन पर्छ नि
यता पनि घुम्न मन लाग्छ काका जानु मन त लाग्छ नि अब सक्दैन घुम्न जानु हरेक ठाउँमा अब सकेको यता अब ट्रेकिङको अब माध्यम लिएर घुम्न पाएको अब खुसी लाग्छ नि यता नयाँ नयाँ ठाउँमा घुम्न पाउने हैन अब अरु ठाउँमा घुम्न मन त धेरै छ हैन पुग्ने मन त छ अब पैसा भएको ट्रेकिङको माध्यमबाट अब घुम्न पाउँदा धेरै खुसी लाग्छ यता
Yeah, he's saying it's beautiful here and he get a chance to see these beautiful mountains while he is walking. Otherwise, he cannot afford to visit new places. So this, which is good, but he also says he liked to travel a lot, but he could not travel because he could not afford it.
Okay, but does he want to continue working in this, in the mountain, or he would like to change maybe?
त्यो त अब हिमालमा यतै काम गर्न मन छ कि अब अथवा कामले अब अर्कै काम गर्न मन छ
काम त अब जता राम्रो उता जानु त मन लागिहाल्छ अब जानु त होइन अब कहाँ कहाँ विदेशतिर पनि अब कहिलेकाहीँ रोजगारमा जाउँ कि भन्ने सोच त हुन्छ अब मान्छेहरू यसो गएको सुन्दाखेरि जानु मन त्यति लाग्दैन अब त्यही मसिनो देशमा होइन अरू देशमा त अब जानु सक्दैन
Yeah, so he's saying he has no options because he can't get the jobs in other places, so he is compelled to come here in these mountains, even it's very difficult, even it is very cold or difficult. Otherwise, he like to go to the abroad countries to work where he gets more money, but because he doesn't have any contacts, he couldn't go there. Yep. But a lot of things playing in his mind. Either he want to change the job in the lower places or in abroad or other places, but he's not getting.
Yeah, right. Thank you so much, Lukindra.
Thank you.
It was pleasure.
Here we are in the Gokyo porter shelter. This is where the porter sleep. So it's a big dormitory.
Yeah. So sleep one next to each other.
Sleep one next to each other.
No heating like with ours.
No heating,
Yeah.
no good mattress.
Yeah.
Not enough blanket to warm them up.
Plus they're using this as storage for
Yes.
some stuff.
Yes.
And this is the kitchen
This
area.
is the kitchen.
Sorry.
So you said a couple of years ago they didn't even have that, and they were sleeping
No.
under like caves and stuff.
Yep.
So that's an improvement, but still it's pretty harsh. And you were saying also that you think that they in the tea houses they have to obviously pay for
They basically pay for
Yeah.
everything: tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything.
and then that takes away about 1/3 of what they make per day.
2/3 of
Two-thirds
what they
even?
make. Yeah,
Okay.
because like in the mountain they're getting about $15 in average, but it costs about $10 for their meals. So
Yeah,
they barely save $5 a day.
yeah. So not much on a 10-day trip. That's $50.
That's $50.
So it's important to also tip them because they don't make that much. Hi. How are you doing? Fine. Okay. This is the little courtyard where they dry clothing and
Yeah, the porter they do sleep here too because at the peak season the room inside is not enough.
it's too many people coming
Too many
up.
people
and
coming.
so sometimes they sleep up here.
Many occasions.
Wow.
Many occasions.
Yeah. And I've seen in other tea houses, it's all like roofing like this. It's not even real roof. It's just like this, right? And
Just-
they sleep
just a
outside.
shelter,
Yeah, just shelter and that's it. So yeah, at -5, -10,
Yeah.
it's not the most pleasant experience. And some more kaldang for heating and for cooking.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. If you think it's rubbish, make sure you hit the thumbs down button twice. If you have no idea what's going on, please leave your question below. Thank you for watching and see you next time!